husbands and lots of hair, and after an old grey suit for Easter bound. Sailor's gone and the wind's gone, and the old piano's sitting down. Someone's coats left hanging on the rack. Some empty chairs, some wooden floors that feel the touch of shoes no more, waiting for the dancers to come back. And the things in the closet of some daughter on the town. The strings are broken, the bow is scarce, and the case is buttoned down. Often on December night, when the air is cool and the wind is right, the melodies come passing through this town. One more time. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. It's good to get a good response. At least you know you're alive. Now, our next song, ladies and gentlemen, is very special to us because we've got good, strong connections in County Donegal, and I know that Donegal is going to play an All Ireland semi-final next week. But this song is about bringing Las Vegas to Donegal. It's called Las Vegas in the Hills of Donegal. So if you all know it, please clap your hands and stamp your feet. Well, you may talk about Atlanta, how it's lost beneath the sea, or the grave of the unknown soldier, or the cry of the old banshee. Well, who's the man in the iron mask that's Jack the Ripper set free? But ask them all where's Donegal. It's still a mystery. For if I could, I'd build a wall around old Donegal, that north and the south to keep them out the body through the town. To see those chicken ranches, I'd legalize them all. We'd have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Well, all night pubs and late night clubs, such a thrill. And to hear them say in Dublin there's gold on them hills. But don't despair, cause if you're there, the answer lies with me. There's a wall that's steep and it's going cheap somewhere in Germany. Or if I could, I'd build a wall around Donegal, but north and south to keep them out be good at to see those chicken ranches and legalize them all. We'll have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now we're gone to Donegal, from Donegal to another Wild West. This one's called The Ballad of Jesse James, an outlaw. And someone asked me last week, or told me actually last week, the difference between outlaws and in-laws.
Big difference.
And I told him that outlaws, funny enough, was always wanted. He stole from the rich, and he gave to the poor. He'd a heart, he'd a brave. Well, Jesse had a wife to mourn all his life. 3 children, well, they were brave. But history does call it was Robin Charlie Ford that laid poor Jesse in his grave. Well, it was on a Saturday night when the stars were shining bright. They were out the Glendale train, and people they did say for many miles away it was those outlaws Frank and Jesse James. Well, Jesse had a wife but to mourn all his life, and children, well, they were brave. And history does record it was Robin Charlie Ford that laid poor Jesse in his grave. Hold it, guys. Make them hips swing. Well, the people held their breath when they heard of Jesse's death. They wonder how he'd come to fall. Well, it was Robert Ford, in fact, that shot him on the back as he hung his picture on the hall. Well, Jesse had a wife for to mourn all his life, and children, well, they were brave. Well, history does record it was Robin Charlie Ford that laid poor Jesse in his grave. Well, I wonder how they feel, those 30 rotten cars. I wonder how they feel today. For they eat of Jesse's bread, and they slept in Jesse's bed, and they laid poor Jesse in his grave. Well, Jesse had a wife to mourn all his life, and children, well, they were brave. Well, history does record it was Robin Charlie Ford that laid poor Jesse in his grave. much, ladies and gentlemen. Now the next one is taken from Brother Where Art Thou. It's called A Man of Constant Sorrow. Well, I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen troubles on the way. I've been well to old Kentucky, the place where he was born and raised. The place where he was born and raised. Very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if we could have your attention just for 1 minute and 15 seconds actually, because I'm going to do a rendition of a very famous group here called the Furies and Davy Arthur. It's called The Lonesome Boatman, but first I'm going to give you the wee monologue to it. So if you just bear with me. nearly broke my heart. A tramp lay dying in the park. I bent right down to hear him speak, and the words that he spoke, they were all so weak. He told me a story of long since past, and of a sailing ship and her long grey mast, of his captain's cap and of her silver braid, and of the wonderful voyages that they had made. Silent Annie was the great ship's name. It was a token of love when he spoke her name. She had sailed round the Horn now more than once, and she could cut through the waves like a shark at a glance. Believe me, he said, and his eyes filled with tears, like a drunk on the corner trying to remember his years. I remember the day when they towed her away. Her sides, they were sore from the sea's angry spray. They said she was no longer fit to sail out no more, and they towed her more inwards from her own sandy shore. And as they broke my Silent Annie, I watched with a sigh, and I remember her beauty when I was a boy. She was my one love and my life's only dream, when we sailed out together as captain and queen. I believe you, I said, and he gave a sad smile. Then he reached for my hands and I took his in mine. It started to drizzle and I felt my hand tight, and he squeezed more hard as he ended his fight. Then the crowd, they had gathered and they watched in dismay, and the ambulance men came and they took him away. I got to my feet and I walked towards the park. The sun was gone down, but it was not yet dark. My body was wet, and my clothes weren't many, but my mind was aroused by the ship. Silent Annie. gentlemen, I know we have much more long time left here, so I'm going to sing this song good and fast. So I want you all, please, to join in, because we're all on the one road. Okay, so the name of this song is called We're on the One Road. Here it goes. Like old Lang Syne, we're on the one road, sharing the one road, we're on the road to Cardinals. We're on the one road, it may be the wrong road, but we're together now, who cares? North and South and comrades all, from Dublin to Belfast, Cork to Donegal. We're on the one road, singing along, singing a soldier's song. I know you're all in the good party atmosphere, we're going to do one more by the Furies, because we didn't know whether we'd have time or not. So we're going to do it. It's called the Red Rose Cafe. Is all ready? Here goes.
Turn up the red rose cafe in the heart, and there by the ports just outside Amsterdam, everyone shares in the songs and laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be there.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And the stage manager has just informed us one more. So this one's about somebody out of our country who gets it very, very hard to tell the truth. And this is what he told me one day. I was born about 10,000 years ago.
There's no one who can spin a lie like me, and you
young face, the young son of the birds, that is one. There was never a bigger bird on me, and you can search until you're tired, you can find another lion, even lions since the dawn of history. Trying to run away when they got married the next day. Now the whole end up coming flat. Let me sing it. There was never a bigger lion army, and you can search until you're tired. You will find another lion, even lions since the dawn of history. It was in World War I and met them all. There was Hitler, Roosevelt, and de Gaulle. One day I nearly failed and I was having to catch a head. There was Hitler hanging paper in my hall, singing "Tira-lira-lira-lira-lira." There was never a bigger lion army. You can search until you're tired, you will find another lion, even lions since the dawn of history, singing "Tira-lira-lira-lira-lira." There was never a bigger lion army. You can search until you're tired, you will find another lion, even lions since the dawn of history. Ladies and gentlemen, good night, God bless, and enjoy the rest of the flower. Thanks once again, and very best of regards to Shane here, who had the amplification set up fantastic. Cheers, all the best, and thanks for your energy.
The Sound of Sea Band, everybody. That's the Madden family. That's John, Sean, and Nicola, and Rhiannon. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Okay, coming